Hey guys, I'm Marty. Again, this video I'm gonna share with you guys a very cool launcher that I've been using lately on my Galaxy Note 4. This is called Hola Launcher, H-O-L-A, which is hi in Spanish. And what this launcher is right here is a very simple looking launcher, but it has a cool features that I'll really like. So I'm going to show you guys right now the things that I like about this launcher. When you first install this launcher, it's going to make you, of course, make it default. This right here widget is going to be installed right there, which looks very cool. And you tap on it, it's going to take you to your clock. Here you can see your weather right there. And of course, if you want to change city, you could go ahead and change cities right there. If you want to eliminate something from here, you could just go ahead and drag it to delete, and it'll just delete it. Right here, it also has a very cool widget here, which is the search. It's like a universal search. It will show you the trending searches. If you click right there, it will refresh it. You got hot sites, you got recent apps, and here you got your contacts as well. You can tap right there or tap right there, and it would either call or message. Very awesome. That you could take away from it if you want as well. Another thing that I like about this app launcher is that it automatically organizes all your apps in folders, right? And the cool thing about the folders, it sets them as per category. The cool thing about those folders is that when you open one of them, for example, here is system, you could go ahead and keep on sliding through the folders by category. That is very cool. Like you see there, it's going to do its best job to organize the apps that you have and the folders that it should be. It's not going to be perfect, so if you find something here that you rather have in another folder, like for example the WWE Network app, I want to take it away from the games app and I want to put it here in media, you could go ahead just like that and drag it there, and now it's going to be here in media. So it's very cool that it actually does that. I like the way you just go through the folders like that. That's a very cool feature there. If you want to navigate through your apps like you normally would, you would tap right here, all apps. And like you see, all your apps are organized in alphabetically order. You can here go through the letters right there. Like you see there, very cool. You can either search right there for the apps. It'll take you to the search section. Or if you tap right there, it'll take you to an app store from this Hola launcher, which recommends games and recommends apps and all that. You don't really have to use it. If you go like this, you can go ahead and see all your windows. You can add windows very easily by tapping there. You can eliminate the whatever windows you don't want. You could go ahead, just drag it there and eliminate it, and that's it. You can also assign, if you want to assign this one as your home page, you could do that, tapping on the home icon right there. I want to leave that one as home, and that's it. Another cool feature that it has, if you tap and hold, here you can see all your windows, right? You can see your windows available with all the apps. Here you add shortcuts, you can add your system widgets. These are the normal widgets that are installed on your phone. You could do that. Here are some of the things you can add from Hola. Here it has themes. I really like the themes. This right here is the theme that I have applied right now. If you, by default, it's gonna be in this right here. If you tap right there, you can switch through the themes that you have installed on your phone. And the great thing about the themes, that's not just gonna change the background or the folders. It's also gonna change, like you see there, it's also gonna change the theme of your apps as well. Like see there. And you tap right there. If you want to go ahead and look for more themes, you tap right there in collections. Here you can see the themes that you have. Here you can see the wallpapers. If you go here online, click there online, it's going to take you to the online section where you could go ahead and download more themes. This is the theme that I was using, simple and red. Awesome, beautiful looking theme. But they have a lot more themes here to download, and they look very cool. And they come with the wallpaper, and they also come with the custom icons as well. So for example, let's go ahead and show you guys. I want to add this one right here. When you tap on one of them, it takes you to the Google Play Store. Here you can see how they look on your phone. Let's go ahead and click install right there, accept, blah blah blah. Now it's gonna be downloading. Wow, that was fast. So it started very fast. And now we can go back, right? We can go back here again, and it's gonna be installed right there. Let's go ahead back to themes. It should be right there. Let's go ahead and tap on it. Maybe it's gonna take a while because some icons are gonna be more complicated than others and all that. So once you do that, it's gonna apply the theme. It's gonna change the icons. It's gonna change the wallpaper. If it's the wallpaper, if the theme comes with a specific, like you see there, with a specific widget, it will apply the widget as well. And look at that. Look at the icons. How cool they look. Look at the YouTube. Look at the camera. Look at the Chrome, the Flipboard, the phone. It looks very nice. Look at that. That looks very cool. And of course, like you see there, changes the way all the other apps looks as well. And the folders, look at that. The folders look more squarish than before and kind of smaller as well. And like you can see the changes inside the folders as well. It looks very cool. I like the way themes work here as well. If you don't like this, for example, if you don't like this widget, you can just go ahead and delete it, and we could go ahead and add another widget from here if you want, or you can add one of the default ones. For example, the one that I was using before. Is that the one? No. Yeah, I guess that was the one. I guess it switches, it customizes the widget as well. Let me see this one right here. So if you don't want this one, you can go take that one out and put this one here. Like you see there, very cool. Another thing that it has right here, let's go ahead back here, tap in hold. Wallpapers, you could change the wallpapers as well. If you tap it there, it changes the wallpaper. Look at that. It also has a little app here. It says shuffle. When you tap on the shuffle, it will automatically search for random wallpapers, and it will apply it to your phone. Look at that. And if you like it, you save it. If you don't, just cancel. Go ahead and click on it again, see what else gives me. Look at that. That looks very cool. If you like it, you just leave it there. Right now I didn't see the save button, but you just leave it there. Now you have it there. Now here you got Hola Shine. This right here tells you how to use the swipe. Right there, if you swipe here from the bottom, you could go. It installs Lazy Swipe. Lazy Swipe is like a little app launcher, which is very convenient. You could click right here in Toolbox. You could launch the flashlight. You could turn on the Wi-Fi, data, and all that. Here you can see your frequent apps, and here you could download. You can see your new apps that you have installed on your phone. This right here, you could get it on any launcher. This is Lazy Swipe. But right now it works perfectly good with this launcher as well. So that personalized, of course, is going to tell you here you can go ahead and download more themes if you want, like that. But right now, let's go ahead back to the theme that I really like is this one right here. Simple and red. Looks just gorgeous. And that one, like you see there, the one that we downloaded actually looks good as well. And I like that it changes the background, it changes the apps, the way the apps looks and all that. It looks very cool. Here in effect, if you want to change the way it slides, I like the way that it shows you right here how the effects works. Like if I go sphere, this is how it would change. Cubic, cylinder, snake, look at that. Cube, stack, flippy, which is the one that I'm using, collection, wheel, chord, extrusion, random. The one that I really like is flip. It looks a little bit more simple and it has a nice effect there. But other than that, everything else works here, which I like. For example, if I press and hold the home button, I can access my Google Now, which is great. I don't, I keep using it a lot. I use this a lot. And if you use the multi-window section, you press and hold there, you can still access your other apps right here. So it doesn't, like you see there, it doesn't interfere. It doesn't interfere with your functions of the Galaxy Note 4, and it also works perfectly good with the, you see there, it works perfectly good with the S Pen as well and Air Command. So guys, if another thing, if you tap in, it also has gestures. If you tap on the screen, you can assign it to launch your all apps, or if you swipe up, you could go ahead and access the menu like you see there. In all our settings, you could go ahead here, and there's a lot of things you could do here. In appearance, you could change this, for example, the placement of the icons, 4x4 or 5x4. By default, it's going to be a 4x4. Right now, I'm using 5x4. 5x4 is 5 rows and 4 columns. By default, it's going to be 4 rows and 4 columns. I recommend using 5x4, especially if you have a big screen phone. I recommend doing that. Here you can see the transitions again, wallpapers, how you want it, infinite scrolling. If you want to use that, you could do that. Here we can adjust the size of the icons. See, if you want the icons a little bigger, smaller, medium. The label as well, the names under the icons, you could go ahead and put right there, very little there. And of course, you can also change gestures if you want open a sliding down gesture. Let's go ahead and say I want a sliding down. Let's go ahead and just search. You could do that. All our plugins. This is the lazy app swipe that I have installed already. You can also download another one that says double tap your desktop to lock your screen, or another one that says show number of unread messages on app. You could do that as well. Advanced settings right here. Has a whitelist. Here, when you use the boost, Hola boost is gonna automatically kill every single app. But if you want to put some apps in whitelist, you just tap right there, for example, and it won't kill whatever app you choose to whitelist. Another thing, make sure you back up now. It's going to create a backup of the way you have laid out everything here, and that's it. Hola boost is just right here. When you tap right there, it's gonna boost your phone. It's gonna make your phone a lot more faster. It's gonna free RAM and all that, personalize and all that. So guys, that's it. I just want to share with you guys how this Hola Launcher works, and it works very, very good. It looks very simple, and the customization is freaking awesome. I like the way it changes your background, your icons, and all that. And the best of it, it's totally free. So there's no reason why not to try it. So go ahead and try it out. Let me know what you guys think about this launcher. I will be using this launcher for a while now until I get tired of it. And let me know if you guys want to see any hands-on look of any other launcher. That way I could go ahead and do the video, and icon packs as well. So till next time, guys. Thanks for watching.